everyone, in this video I'll be showing you to change your mobile number on your Bigo Live account. Now first thing you need to do is click to your profile, and once you're there you can click on that me button, and once you're there you may click on the account management. Yeah, for this one above it is the phone, and you might click on it. And this shows the mobile number you have used, so you may click on change phone number. And once it's verified, you can now add a new number. You can hit send for another verification. And once the code is there, you may type it in and click done. And you have successfully changed your mobile number to your Bigo Live account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.